Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel Tech City. Today, we are diving into an in-depth analysis of an incredible Adidas sales analysis dashboard created using AIV. This dashboard is packed with valuable insights that will help us to understand the sales performance of Adidas across different regions, retailers, and products. So, grab your favorite snack and let's get started. So firstly, we will download the dataset for our project and I'll show you how to download it. So open any browser and search for Kaggle. You will find this interface. Then click on the website. You will redirect to the Kaggle official website. First thing first, you will need a Kaggle account. If you don't have one, head over to the Kaggle website and sign up. It's a free and easy to create an account. Once you are in, log in to your account and you can download any dataset. So let's search for the dataset you needed. So I need data named as Adidas sales. Now on this columns you have to click on data sets. So there are plenty of data sets that we have searched for. I need this data set, so I will click on that. Check the description, the column, and any other information provided by the loader. This will help you to understand the data set more and whether it's suitable for your needs. When you are ready to download the dataset, look for the download button on the right side of the page like this to your computer. It might take a few moments depending on the size of the dataset. The dataset Adidas US sales has been downloaded. Now let's create our dataset. A dataset is the foundation of your report, so it is essential to start here. Follow these steps to create a dataset in AIV. First, navigate to the document section, click on the hamburger menu. In the top left corner of the dashboard, this will open the main menu. Select reports under the document section. These reports. Now click on the upload button. Now upload your file that you want. I want Adidas sales data set and simply upload the data set. Create a report. Next, let's create a data set from the uploaded file. Expand the hamburger menu and expand the master data. Now click on the dataset option. Now from here, create a dataset by using the create dataset button. Now go on to existing files, change the source to reports, and my file was Excel file. So here is the Adidas US sales. Click on that and give a suitable name for that. And now create a dataset. How you can create the Adidas sales dataset, and from here we will create a dashboard. Let me log in and show you the dashboard which I created. So this is the dashboard which I created. First up, let's take a quick overview of this beautifully designed dashboard. It's laid out with engaging visuals and bright colors that make it easy to navigate. Each section provides valuable insights into various aspects of Adidas sales data. We are going to break down each section to see what story the data tells us. So we'll kick things off with the key performance indicators, or we can say KPIs. At the top, this KPIs gives us a quick snapshot of value of product sold. So there are three KPIs: unit sold, sum of operating margin, and sum of profits. So we will start with the unit sold KPI. We have sold a total of 9,648 units. This metric helps us to understand the volume of product sold. Next, we have sum of operating margin. The operating margin total has $4,081 and 02 cents. This tells us how much profit Adidas is making after covering operational costs. And last KPI which we have is the sum of profit. So the total profit is 43 lakh 6,250. This gives us an idea of the overall revenue generated from the sales of shoes and merchandise of Adidas. These three KPIs provides a comprehensive overview of the business performance as at the glance. And this um, I have created an custom visualization which is supported by AIV. So if you click on this, it will like Tech City YouTube channel. So please subscribe my channel if you are not done it yet. So you can also create this stuff in AIV. So next we have the charts. So first chart we have is total sales by retailer, which is a bar chart. This chart breaks down the sale figures for different retailers like Amazon leading the pack with the highest sales, whole following closely behind, Westgear, Support Direct, Sport Direct, and Walmart also contribute significance to the sales. This chart helps us to identify which retailers are driving the most revenue and where editors might need to focus their marketing efforts. So next, let's move on to the buyers in USA, which is a map gives us a visual representation of number of buyers in different regions across the United States. We can see areas which wearing shades indicates the concentration of buyers. The darker the shade, the higher the number of buyers. This visualization is crucial for understanding market and identifying regions with potential for growth, like California, Texas, Florida, and New York have more sales than other, so Adidas can focus on that. Moving on to the next chart, we have the total sales by region, which is a pie chart. This chart shows the percentage of total sales by different regions. Like West has 25.37 percentage, Northeast has 24.63 percentage, like Midwest 90 percentage, and followed by South and Southeast. This chart helps us to understand where the majority of sales are coming from and allows Adidas to tailor their regional marketing strategies accordingly. Next up, we have the total product, which is pyramid chart. This chart shows the distribution of different product categories like woman ethnic footwear, which is 70 percentage from overall, men's apparel from 70 percentage, women's street footwear women's apparel and men's street footwear and men's street apparel. These all have the products which is included by Adidas who sold. So understanding the product distribution helps Adidas to ensure that they have the right mix of products to meet customer demand. And lastly, we have the sales by city. Let's take a look at the sales by city, which is line chart. This chart shows sales figures for various cities like the New York, Las Vegas, Phoenix, Jackson, and Boston, and many more. By analyzing the sales by city, we can identify urban centers where their products are performing well and areas that might need more attention. So, and there you have it, folks. A detailed breakdown of the Adidas sales analysis dashboard created in AIV. This dashboard provides a wealth of information that helps us to make data-driven decisions, improve performance, and achieve better results. I hope you found this video both informative and fun. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.